Predicting when Pi coin might reach $3 involves a mix of speculation, analysis of its current trajectory, and consideration of broader cryptocurrency market dynamics. PiNetwork has transitioned to an open mainnet, launched on February 20th, 2025, allowing Pi coins to be traded on exchanges. However, its price remains highly volatile and subject to various factors, including adoption rates, market sentiment, and the project's development milestones. Let's explore this in detail. PiNetwork, launched in 2019 by Stanford graduates, aims to make cryptocurrency accessible by enabling mobile mining through a lightweight app. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires energy-intensive hardware, Pi uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol, SCP, for efficient, eco-friendly transaction validation. With over 19 million verified users and a reported 10.14 million mainnet migrations, as of early 2025, Pi has built a substantial community. Its maximum supply is capped at 100 billion tokens, with 65% allocated to community mining rewards. However, the circulating supply remains unclear, as not all mined coins are yet unlocked or tradable, impacting its market dynamics. As of today, Pi's price fluctuates significantly depending on the exchange and data source. Some platforms, like CoinMarketCap, report it at around $0.5073 with a market cap of $3.45 billion and a circulating supply of 6.8 billion coins, implying a fully diluted valuation far higher if all 100 billion coins enter circulation. Other sources, such as Binance, list it closer to $38 to $49, though these may reflect IOU speculative prices rather than official mainnet tokens. Posts on X and various analyses suggest Pi has seen highs near $3 earlier in 2025, but has since dropped, with some users claiming it's now below $1, e.g. 0.89 as of March 25, 2025, per X posts. This volatility reflects the challenges of a newly launched coin facing selling pressure from early miners cashing out. For Pi to reach $3 again, several factors must align. First, adoption is key. The Pi ecosystem aims to drive real-world utility through decentralized applications, dApps, and merchant acceptance. If the promised dApps roll out successfully, some X users speculated a $3.14 target by mid-March 2025 if deployment occurred, demand could rise. However, as of now, there's no clear evidence this has happened, and community frustration with the core team's communication, termed CT on X, suggests delays or unmet expectations could hinder progress. Market sentiment plays a huge role. The crypto market in 2025 is influenced by Bitcoin's performance, regulatory developments, and macroeconomic conditions. A bullish altcoin season could lift Pi, but posts on X indicate skepticism, with some predicting it won't surpass $3 again this year due to increasing circulation, diluting value. If Bitcoin continues its upward trend, recently above $102,000, altcoins like Pi might benefit indirectly, but competition from established coins like Stellar, XLM, which shares a similar protocol, could cap its growth. Supply dynamics are critical. With only a fraction of the 100 billion coins circulating, estimates range from 700 million to 6.8 billion. Unlocking more tokens could depress the price unless demand outpaces supply. Some analysts on X argue that even at $3, Pi's market cap would hit $20 to $300 billion, depending on circulating supply, a lofty figure for a coin still proving its utility. For comparison, Bitcoin's market cap is around $2 trillion with 21 million coins. Pi reaching $3 with, say, 10 billion coins in circulation would imply a $30 billion market cap. Ambitious, but not impossible given its user base. Historical price predictions offer context. CoinCodex forecasted a short-term rise to $4.1 by March 21, 2025, and a 2025 high of $5.82, while Telegaon was more bullish at $107.22 average. However, these were pre-launch estimates, and post-mainnet reality has been less rosy. CCN predicted a drop to $11.46 in 2025 based on IOU trends, while Coinpedia suggested a $2.10 peak. X sentiment leans bearish, with users citing a lack of trust in the Pi team and dumping by miners as reasons it may not recover to $3 soon. So, when might Pi hit $3? Optimistically, a catalyst like major exchange listings, e.g. Binance, Coinbase, or a surge in dApp usage could push it there by mid-2025, perhaps in Q3 if adoption accelerates. Pessimistically, if selling pressure persists and utility lags, it could take years. Some X users suggest 2028 to 2029, if ever. A balanced view might place it in late 2025 or early 2026, assuming the team addresses community concerns and market conditions favor altcoins. Given current trends, $3 isn't imminent, but remains plausible with the right momentum. Investors should watch adoption metrics, circulating supply updates, and broader crypto trends closely.